After you left, after you left, I still wake up with 1,000 thoughts inside my head. Conversations with the silence filling up my bed. People say that time will heal the deepest kind of pain, but every new sunrise just whispers your name. I kept my feelings locked behind the door without a key. Built a prison out of fear and called it protecting me. Every mirror showed a face I barely recognized, a heart that's still beating but tired of goodbyes. I chased perfection like it owed me something back. Lost myself somewhere between the dreams and all the cracks. Now I'm learning every scar can tell a different story. Not every broken chapter steals away the glory. I'm done running from the past, done pretending that it never happened. If tomorrow brings a little hope, I'll meet it with open hands. After you left, I had to find my own way home. Standing in the dark, but I was never truly alone. Every tear became a lesson, every wound became a light. Even in the shadows, I kept holding on to life. I'm still healing, I'm still growing every day. One small step is enough to find my way. After you left, I finally found the strength to stay. Yeah, the loudest battles happen when nobody can see. Behind a quiet smile lives another version of me. I carry guilt like it was written in my skin. Forgot forgiveness always starts from within. I can't rewrite yesterday, I won't pretend I can, but I can choose the next page with these trembling hands. Some nights I lose hope, some mornings I stand tall. Progress isn't perfect, it's getting up after the fall. The road gets lonely, that's part of the climb. Faith isn't certainty, it's showing up every time. If my future's listening, don't give up on me yet. I've made mistakes, but I'm more than every regret. The fire inside me never disappeared, it only waited for me to face my fears. Maybe healing isn't loud, maybe it'll rouse in peace. In quiet moments where the heavy thoughts release. The strongest hearts don't always look brave. Sometimes courage is simply refusing to break. I don't need the world to understand my fight, I only need enough hope to make it through the night. Every ending plants a seed for something new. The sky still opens after storms pass through. I carry your memory, but I won't carry despair. Love can stay forever without trapping me there. After your left, I found a reason to believe. Not because the pain was gone, but because I chose to breathe. Every scar became a promise I can never break. Every sunrise proves there's more than yesterday. I keep walking even when the road is steep, planting hope where the hurt runs deep. After you left, I didn't lose myself, I found who I was meant to be. The story isn't over, the silence doesn't win. Oh, oh, every new day is another chance to begin again. After you